doesn't sound quite right.
We're going to be dog zombie food if we don't fix this.
Hold on. The tennis balls aren't clogging up the system. They are the system!
A Crawlmeister design always did contain a surprise element.
But tennis balls in a clock? Why?
We've got to find out. Oh, just like a tennis overhead smash. Clock, set, and match. Our work here is done. Mom! Were you following us the whole time?
Of course. Had to make sure nothing bad happened to my precious pug. But I'm also on special assignment. The Marrowbone want the inside scoop on the clock tower.
Well, here it is. We fixed the clock tower.
It was jammed with tennis balls.
Only because the levers were stuck. The tennis balls are part of the special design.
Grandad Crawl always said he had a surprise for the dogs in the clock tower, but they never got to see it until now. You might not be a cat or a clockmaker, but you are a crawl with a famous reputation.
Some things do run in the family.